Welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to cook fried kuey teow. So I have 1 packet of kuey teow or flat rice noodles. I have 2 cups of beansprout, 5 stalks of chives, 1 piece of firm tofu cut into cubes, 3 tablespoons of dry shrimp, and this is pre-cooked omelette. I cut into pieces, okay, like that. Pre-cooked omelette. 2 tablespoons of chopped garlic, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 red chili cut into pieces, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of pepper. And now we're going to fry the firm tofu and also dry shrimp. For this dry shrimp is quite salty, so I'm going to go ahead and wash it first with hot water. Then we can go and cook it. Put in quite a lot of oil. When oil is hot, I'm going to put in the tofu. Alright, we're going to fry the tofu just until it's cooked and brown. No need to cook until it's crispy. So I'm going to switch off the heat and drain off the oil. And I'm going to pour back the oil into the pan. And this one, I'm going to put it aside. And going to heat the pan again. And now we're going to fry the garlic. We're going to fry the garlic until crispy and brown. Alright, garlic is ready. I'm going to switch off the heat. And then we're going to drain it out from the pan as well. Put the oil back into the pan. This time we're going to fry the dry prawns. See the dry prawns? I have washed it with hot water. And we're going to fry it in the hot oil. Alright, dry shrimp, we just cook it for about 1 minute, so it is ready. And I'm going to remove it from the pan and put it aside. We still have the oil in the pan, but it's a little too much. I'm going to take out some of the oil from the pan. Just left a little bit. Now we're going to put in the noodles. Put in all the sauce, light soy sauce, pepper, half of the fried garlic, oyster sauce, and dark soy sauce. Now switch on the heat. And we're going to mix it. Once the pan is getting hot, and then it will start to cook the kuey teow. Now I'm going to put in the chili. Because the chili is quite hard to cook, right? We want to make it cook and soften. Continue to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes until the kuey teow is soft. And now I'm going to put in the beansprout. And chives. Give it a mix. It looks so yummy. Alright, beansprout and chive doesn't really require to cook too long. So now we can give it a taste. Delicious. It's enough taste, enough flavor. So I'm going to switch off the heat. Since the taste is okay, we can switch off the heat at this stage. If you want to add in some more seasoning, you can do so, like oyster sauce or light soy sauce. But then just to let you know that if it's lack of saltiness, you don't have to worry, because sometimes dry prawns, right, it can give a little bit of the salty taste. Okay, so I'm going to put in the dry prawns and the fried tofu. Okay, gonna keep a little bit for garnishing. Fried omelette. And put in some more fried garlic. And you can give it a mix again. Okay, that is done. Wow, very tasty and very flavorful. It's very nice fragrance of the dry shrimp and it's not oily at all. The vegetable is still crunchy. The kuey teow is very soft and smooth, and with the fragrance of the fried garlic, overall, it's really delicious. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please share with your friends and remember to subscribe for more of my variety cooking like this. Thank you and bye bye.